Hey, this is Ronnie, and this is the Rescue Ronnie Show. Today, I'm here with Erik Sjolie, CEO of Sky Insurance Brokers. How you doing, my friend?
Hey, I'm doing great. How are you, Ronnie?
I'm awesome. So Erik's going to show us a couple things that we can do during these times of the coronavirus, and also some things that we can do to protect ourselves and our companies. So stick around, check it out. All right, guys, we're back. I'm excited to have you, Erik. Thanks for coming on. I appreciate it, my friend.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Yeah, so I wanted to at least give some information, definitely on some of the stuff with the coronavirus, but I wanted to also give you an opportunity to tell us what you do and kind of how you go about things.
Sure.
So give a little background on who you are and what you do.
Okay, yeah. So my name's Erik Sjolie. I run Sky Insurance Brokers. We're a local independent insurance agency out of Sacramento. We work with a lot of different carriers. So we're not a captive company. I don't represent one carrier. So we work on the client's behalf to find the best coverage for the best rates, really what creates the best value. So we work with individuals, business owners, commercial, group health, all the above. So we're what we call a generalist insurance agency.
Yeah, so you can kind of get everything and you run the gamut on everybody, huh?
Yeah. We just try to offer a lot of services so we can kind of, find all the solutions under one roof. So we have a very talented team here, so we all work together collectively.
I love it. Thanks very much. So what would you say are some of the things that separate you? There's a lot of insurance agencies all over the place. What are some of the things that separate you, make you different? Why somebody would want to come to you?
Yeah, so no, that's a great question, and we get asked that a lot. So the first thing, which I think gives us a pretty big advantage, is we work with a lot of the top-rated carriers. So we have options. We have different solutions that we can work with the clients to find. So we're not trying to fit everything in one box. Different carriers have different appetites, and especially in this day and age with like homeowners insurance in California, the landscape changes really daily, if not weekly. So it's just a crazy time. So always working on the forefronts there, finding what carriers are offering coverages, which ones are pulling out of certain markets, and be able to navigate that. One of the things we did last year is a lot of the competitors, have either pulled back or not really working those markets because a lot of time and effort goes into finding the homeowners insurance for the high fire areas. We doubled down at our agency. So last year we went out and hired one of the area's experts that really consults with other agencies, the FAIR plan, along with keeping in touch with what the market's doing. So we brought him in and kind of create our own high fire in-house division here. And we've been working a lot with clients, mortgage advisors and realtors like yourself, trying to find coverages up for the foothills and things of that sort. So for the clients.
Which definitely, I used to be a fireman up in the Forest Hill area.
Yeah.
That definitely touches a chord with me for sure. So yeah, cool. Thanks for touching on that.
Yeah.
So what are you seeing that's right now during these times? These are obviously very different times, hence why you and I are doing this meeting on Zoom and recording it and all that stuff. So what are you seeing some of the value that you can add right now on what people can do during these times of need in coronavirus, whether it's fire insurance or any other sort of type of insurance or guidance that you can give somebody?
Yeah. So right now, a couple of different things. I'll break it out. So on the commercial side, it's lots changed, obviously, in the business market right now. Let's specifically highlight like restaurants, adding different coverages, making sure the exposures fit as they're trying to recreate their process of doing business to stay afloat. So you're seeing the curbside pickup. A lot of companies are offering delivery services. So we're working with a lot of our clients to make sure that those exposures were covered, as well as, they had the correct commercial auto policies that maybe previously they didn't have because they didn't have delivery, just to make sure that they're going to be properly protected as they're expanding their services. On the personal side, we've seen a huge uptick these last few weeks. I think it's just because a lot of people are home now and have more time. People wanting to review coverages. So we've seen a lot of opportunity. People are, trying to save money anywhere they can. So we've done a lot of policy reviews for not only our own clients, but also, people that were outside of our agency, and trying to find solutions, bundling, finding carriers that might be a little bit more competitive on pricing, and find that extra $300, $400, $500 a year is making a big difference for families right now. So
a long way.
Yeah, so that's an area. Our agency, there's about 14 or 15 of us here at Sky, Most of us are working remotely with the orders. We are considered an essential business, so we do have a few people. There's about 3 or 4 of us on a daily basis that are at our office here. We keep good social distancing and all those practices, but so we're very active. We're working at full capacity right now. We haven't really seen a slowdown from our standpoint, and really work on our service to make sure that we're delivering there as well.
Right. No, it sounds like you guys are really covering every single step, which is you don't see that in all insurance companies and insurance brokers.
Yeah, a lot of them will go like try to specialize, which there's value there as well. But from our standpoint, we have the expertise amongst our team members that we can all deliver the value and create those opportunities for our clients with a positive experience. So that's something that we shoot for on a daily basis.
That's awesome. So yeah, I wanted to give you a chance to really give your information, such as your email, your phone number, your website, if somebody wants to make contact with you and try and look into your services.
Yeah, no, that would be great. Yeah, so our website's a good place to connect with us. It's Sky Insurance Group, SKY Insurance Group, all spelled out, .com. Our phone number here is local, 916-540-7000. So those are 2 good avenues to reach out to our agency. We have a very talented team here to assist or answer any questions that people might have during this time. So including, what carriers are doing with maybe deferring payments and things of that sort too. So we can walk everyone through those options.
Awesome, dude. I love it so much. Thank you so much for taking some time out of your day. I know this is a crazy time right now, and I know you'd rather be spending time with your kids, but I appreciate you, man. And hopefully, this helps your business out. So as always,
it, Ronnie.
have the best day of life, and adios.
All right.